What's going on, everybody? You know who it is. It's a smooth one. This is my second flight of the day. I pretty much had to check something. Something was wrong with the settings, and my other one was a little more washed out than this one. And now this is the second flight of the day. It's not that long, just to check my settings, make sure everything is good. See, look, as I'm rising up by the sun, it's pretty decent, it's pretty cool. Yeah, I added a little color letter on this right here on the footage, but it's pretty cool. This is like where I live. Yeah, I'm doing a little spinneroonie. Those are the trees. You see the colors. Everything is cool. But I'm gonna take it up a little bit, and I'm gonna take it around just a little bit, not that far. And I'm moving along. See, that's how close I am to the Varanasi Bridge. That close away. That's the sun. It's about to set. It's gonna set in like another 45 minutes. It's cool though, Also, I'm gonna take it out a little bit. We're gonna go up a little bit toward Stillwell Avenue. Not that far. We'll go over a couple of buildings and stuff. You see the train tracks. Well, I'm gonna bring it back. Yeah. Yeah, we're about to reach sunset in another 45 minutes. Up and down, maybe I'm almost back to where I'm supposed to be. That's the basketball court. I'm actually standing on the basketball court, doing what I do, Little spinneroonie, half turn. I'm going a little higher so I can take it up for a little more. Okay, now I'm about to go down this way. A little bit down West 11th Street. And that's one of the big buildings on the left right there. That's just the regular buildings on the right. Keep in line of sight so it doesn't get louder. Right, the battery's a little low. That's the big buildings. Over there is Coney Island. See, that's the Coney Island area right there. That's how close I am to Coney Island. A few buildings, not that far. Over by the high school, you'll see the football field, you'll see the train yard. Yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Quick little flight. Looks a lot better than the other one. Little spinneroonie that's going around. That's the big buildings. We just spun past the Varanasi Bridge. We head back over toward the sun going down. But this is what I like to do, Just a nice little comfortable flight. Yeah. I didn't take too many pictures. I actually only took 2 pictures. That's the sun. The sun's about to set. But I'm feeling good, I had to mess with the settings in my drone to get it together. I don't know what happened to it, but the other footage was kind of washed out. My battery on my phone died, so I had to put the drone down. This is what we have right here. See that sun? See the sun? Yeah. Very peaceful sight, beautiful sight. Most people don't want to see stuff like that, but I like to see that. Actually, we get to see somewhat of a bird's eye view of what they see when they flying and they looking down at us as they're floating. They get tired, and this is what they see. It's going down, it's going down, it's coming back home. It's going back to the takeoff spot. Yep, it's returning home. But I'm actually spinning it around a little bit. Okay. I think I took control. Yeah, I took control. So I went back up with it. Took it off before I returned to home. Like I said, my battery's a little on the low side. So I'm gonna take it over here a little bit. See, I gotta get up a little higher. See where that building is? I'm a little low. So I know I gotta go a little bit higher. That's the train over there. 2 trains. One's going to Manhattan, the other one's going towards Stillwell.
One production.
I think I'm about to land this. Call it a day. Look at that beautiful scenery. Yeah, I'm about to take it back down. And here we go. Yep, back on the basketball court. Spinning it around. It's beeping now. Watch out for the leaves. And you'll see me soon. Not yet. Getting there. There I go. I'm explaining things to the gentleman standing next to me. Hey, what is that? It's a drone. It's a camera. It has a camera on it. Let's take a look. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. How many batteries? You gotta buy extra batteries.
One production.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, now it's about to sit down and land. See, that's what you see. That's what you're looking at. Yeah, that's me. That is me. Okay, my battery's about gone on the phone, my cell phone. Just getting a little bit of myself. Hey, look, I'm searching for another battery to put in the drone, and then I'm thinking that my cell phone battery is dead, and that's the end of this flight. Smooth Productions, and I'm out.